In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation with a morph transition in Canva. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you're new to Canva, you can easily sign up for a free account. So let's get started. First, head over to the Canva homepage. If you've already signed up, go ahead and click on Continue to log in and access the main dashboard. Once you're there, select your Google account or another login method to proceed. This will bring up all your saved designs and any shared with you. Now let's open your slide presentation. If you haven't created one yet, you can click on Create a Design and select Presentation. This gives you a blank canvas, and you can browse through templates for some visual inspiration. Once your presentation is open, click on the slide with the elements you wish to morph. To begin setting up for a morph transition, you'll need to duplicate the page. Look for the Duplicate Page button, which is usually right above your slide. This step is crucial as it allows the morph effect to transition smoothly between identical slides. Now with the duplicate slide, select the element you want to transform. Click on it and either resize or move it, depending on how you want it to appear in the next transition. This is where you can get creative and experiment with different positions and sizes. If you want to add some text to your slide, click Text from the side menu and select Add a Heading. Type in your desired title or any relevant information about your presentation. After typing, you can drag the text box to reposition the text anywhere on the slide. This ensures that your design looks clean and organized. To achieve the morph transition effect, right-click on the slide and select Add Transition. From the transition options, choose Match and Move. This feature works by smoothly transitioning elements from one position to another, creating a seamless visual effect. You can also adjust the duration of the transition to make it faster or slower based on your preference. Once you're satisfied with your slide and transitions, it's time to preview your work. Find the Present icon at the top of your screen and click it. This feature enables you to view the entire presentation from start to finish, including all the transitions you've added. Finally, click Present to see your morph transition in action. Observe how your elements smoothly shift from one slide to the next, creating a professional and polished effect. And there you have it, a simple way to use morph transitions in Canva to elevate your presentations. Experiment with different elements, and don't forget to explore other transition options to suit your style. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.